just an empty voice screaming out for help. No, I didn't scare you, but I couldn't see that when I went to hell, I was taking you with me. When I close my eyes, I'm climbing in the dark, trying not to fall apart. Sometimes I get so high, falling is the only out I see, and I don't wanna take you down with me. Take you down with me.
The Lord is with thee. Blessed art thou among women,